So when you arrive at the bird sanctuary, you'll go into our visitor center, and this is where you're greeted by a volunteer. They'll give you trail maps and give you all the information on meeting the birds. You'll be able to see peregrine falcons and red-tailed hawks and broad-winged hawks, and what everybody loves, we have 4 bald eagles on site. We have 90 acres with about 3.5 miles of trails, and some of these trails have boardwalks that make them great for birding and wheelchair accessible. If you've got kids who need to burn off a little bit of energy, we have a naturescape, which is kind of an outdoor play area. What the kids love is our songbird aviary. So then you can venture into the songbird aviary and you walk in the enclosure. So if you love birds, great place to go. Have a little fear of birds, you may want to take a step back because the birds are going to come down and eat right out of your hands. So these are not our birds of prey. These are blue jays and cedar waxwings, cardinals, goldfinches, a nice really variety of lots of birds here. If you find an injured animal, we are a resource for you. Whether you're local or far away, you can always call us for help. So we are here to help you, and we're going to try to teach you a little bit about the animal at that time, because the more we understand nature, the more we're going to take care of it. When we work really hard to rehabilitate a bird and we think he really didn't have a chance, and then that opportunity to release him, that's rewarding every day. One of the things that we feel really strongly about is making nature accessible for everybody. So we have been building a lot of infrastructure, and one thing we couldn't get some of the kids out that had mobility issues was into the trees. And it was built by the world-renowned Nelson Treehouse Masters from Animal Planet. They came in the summer of 2021 and built a 200-foot woodland walk, basically that's all level for wheelchairs, and then goes out into our field trip classroom that the top of it looks like a shape of wings. And this year what's been fun is we've had barred owls nesting, hunting along the streams. And so when the kids are up in the tree house, you actually are looking down at the owls, which is that bird's eye view we were looking for. So this becomes a really exciting adventure for any school children, but it's also getting those young ones that don't have the ability to climb trees to spend some time in the trees. I invite you to take a moment to come visit the bird sanctuary. You will be surprised. We hear all the time that people don't know how wonderful this place is, had no idea this was here. This is better than the zoo, we often hear, because you have these really intimate encounters here. So explore the trail, spend time with your family, have a picnic lunch, and get to meet a lot of our feathered friends up close. I can tell you it'll be worth your time, it's worth the travel, and I just invite you to take that moment and spend a little time in nature and come visit us at the bird sanctuary.